Welcome to Rama Science World. So my dear students, today we are discussing about battery. So we are buy batteries for electrical uses. Okay. So mainly battery has a two terminals. So that means battery has a two metal plates. Okay. So inside the battery a chemical is there. Okay, so these metal plates are called electrodes. So electrodes, okay, and this chemical named electrolyte. Okay, electrolyte. So here the ions are experienced a certain force due to the electrolyte. So this electrolyte exert a certain force on the ions. That force is called chemical force. That force is called chemical force. This chemical force, okay, helps. So positive ions are accumulated on the one plate and negative ions are accumulated on another plate. Okay, so here positive ions are accumulated on one plate and negative ions are moved on another plate. Here the direction of positive ions is opposite to the direction of negative ions. Okay. The positive ions, all positive ions are accumulated on one plate. This plate is called anode. Okay. So negative ions are accumulated on another plate. This plate is called cathode. Okay, cathode. So the motion of ions experience another type of force. So now the motion of ions experienced another type of force. This type of force is called electric force. Electric force. So here the direction of chemical force and the direction of electric force is quite opposite. So the direction of chemical force is opposite to the chemical force. Okay, so the opposite to the chemical force. This ions, the motion of ions continue if chemical force is greater than the electric force. Once again we repeat this point. The motion of ions continue if chemical force is greater than the electric force. Okay. The accumulation process is continue till chemical force is equal to the electric force. Okay, once again the point repeat. The chemical force equal to the electric force. Whenever the chemical force is equal to the electric force, okay, the accumulation process is stopped. Okay, so that means the forces are balanced. Okay, so we are observe the balanced forces in new battery. Okay, we buy from our shops, electrical shop. Okay, this is the major explanation about a battery. Okay, how this electric force, chemical force discharged. So when we this battery is connected to the terminals of the bulb. So when we connected to the battery, whenever we are connected to this battery, okay, to bulb, so discharge process is continue. So these electrons are attracted to the positive terminal of battery. Okay, so in this positive terminal have more electrons. In this chemical force move these negative ions, the electrons, so to the positive terminal. So chemical force move the negative ions from the positive terminal to negative terminal. So in this process electric force is discharged. Okay, so through this way chemical force discharges. Thank you very much.